Hey friends, if you wish to view activity history on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Event Viewer in the Windows search bar and open Event Viewer. Now, we have a lot of logs here, but I will expand the list for Windows logs and we will stick to two logs specifically. One is application and one is system. There are other logs as well, but see, system logs refer to logs of the system related processes and the application logs refer to the applications which are either installed internally or they were a part of the system itself. So it mentions the date, time, the event ID, the task that was carried out, and everything. You can check it using the event viewer, and this is an excellent tool to check the activity history of your Windows 11 computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.